So this is the third one I'm doing at this location. So this is the one that had the 3 leaks for 3 O-rings. One was the metal gasket. Just on the other side, you can see the top camper. That's the other Toyota over there that I'm just doing as preventive maintenance. And the same for this one. If you look down there, okay, right now the compressor is off. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. There it goes, compressor came on. There goes your refrigerant, has dye in it. And the compressor went off and it's going back down. You can see it go down. And then the compressor will kick on again and you'll see a solid column of liquid come up. There you go. Coming up again. So this one looks pretty good. This was done many years ago. And it's just going to be preventive maintenance. All I'm doing is draining it down and filling it back up. That's it. There's nothing to do on this one other than drain and refill. Because I did this one like 8 years ago or 9 years ago or so. And that's a good one. All right, guys. See you.